connections, communication, and interaction. People and machines thrive on these essential dynamics. As global experts, this is the foundation of our success. JK Wire Harness is a proudly Malaysian company founded in 1979. We have perfected the production of wire harnesses for modern cars, ensuring flawless connectivity between every module, each and every time. This accomplishment is the result of a decades-long joint venture which began in 1983 with Japan's Sumitomo Wiring Systems Limited. A collaboration that has sparked a partnership of mutual commitment and innovation. Today, JK Wire Harness is a global leader trusted by the biggest names in the Malaysian automotive industry. Honda, Toyota, Nissan, Mazda, Suzuki, Mitsubishi, and of course, Malaysia's own Proton and Perodua. These global leaders depend on us to supply this key component of their vehicles. Secure in the knowledge that our quality, environment, and safety management systems are certified by external certification bodies. We have continued to improve through the decades and now employ over 3,000 people working in multiple factories across 3 states and a logistics center in Kuala Lumpur. But even with global connections and an international who's who of clients, JK Wire Harness remains proudly Malaysian, catering to local needs while upholding world-class standards. Having introduced Kaizen, the culture of continuous improvement, in 1992, we are 100% focused on getting better every day. As a direct result of our training in continuous improvements, we have been able to deploy local Malaysians at plant and senior management levels, thus reducing dependence on foreign labor. This gives us a stability and continuity few other manufacturers can equal. Our unique Malaysian-Japanese business culture has won us local and international awards for quality, delivery, and excellence as we have perfected our supply chain management systems, achieving 100% on-time delivery to all customers. At our subsidiary, JK Sumi Wire Harness, we go a step further, manufacturing our own automotive cables with cutting-edge production facilities. Today, JK Wire Harness is an internationally competitive manufacturer, one that has fully embraced state-of-the-art technologies that are transforming the automotive industry. The future is truly connected, and we are meeting this challenge head-on. Connect with the best JK Wire Harness.